Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, and I have a question for you. Can I build a free marketing system for your Tangled business, placing your name here and, of course, the business name here, and show you how to earn money giving away free marketing systems? If the answer is yes, keep watching. Now, down in the description of this video, you're going to find your sponsor's lead capture page here in the description. So when you finish watching this video, scroll down, click on this link to request your free Tangled marketing system. And of course, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to remove your sponsor's referral link, lead capture link, and replace it with yours. Here's what you receive with your free Tangled marketing system. A free marketing video just like this one, but specially coded to you to use to help build your business. A free Facebook group and an AI-powered Tangled Facebook page coded to you for your Tangled business. And of course, I'm going to remove your sponsor's Facebook group link here and replace it with yours. And of course, I'm going to place your Facebook page link here. Let's take a look at them. Now, this one happens to be my business partner's Facebook group. We're using as an example, as a demo. But of course, your name is going to be here instead of Marty's. And of course, your name is going to be here. Now, if we scroll down, we're going to see that we have lots of hashtags related to Tango. And what's great about these hashtags is when somebody does do a search on Facebook, they're going to be able to find your Facebook group, especially if they're looking for maybe Tangled Social Review or MLX or whatever they're looking for. It's possible that your Facebook group may show in that search. So I'm going to build a lead capture page specially coded to you. Let's take a look at Marty's lead capture page that's in his Facebook group. And we have the co-op rotator. If you become a VIP member and purchase the Done For You traffic package, we're going to be placing your Tangled referral link right in the co-op rotator in here. And of course, we build our all of our marketing systems on a platform called System.io. Let's take a look. So your funnel link is going to be embedded in that banner. And then when somebody does join, whether they're already a System.io member or not, or whether they're a Tangled member or not, of course, they're going to be joining through your funnel link here. So if I click on the co-op rotator link in here, it opens up, of course, to Tangled. And you've seen that I've done some marketing already on Tangled. And that's what you want to do too, is we're going to show you how to do it. Because later on, I'm going to show you how to attract, how to get all those thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of Tangled members to join underneath you, even though they may be a Tangled member already. But what you're after is you're after them to join you in your System.io marketing platform. And I'll be talking about that in just a few minutes here in a little more detail. We're also going to build you a AI-powered Tangled Facebook page that will look something like this. Of course, this is our company one. And your Tangled logo is going to be here, your name here, and your business name here, of course. What's neat about this Facebook page is all automated. When somebody comes here and interacts with your page and asks questions, the chatbot, the AI chatbot, will take over and do the answering for you. In other words, You don't have to be on this page. I don't have to be on this page 24/7. This AI chatbot will do it for you. And of course, I've shown you the lead capture page already, but I'm going to be placing your lead capture page here, taking out your sponsor's lead capture page. You're going to have access to the live training room where you can receive help for promoting your free Tangled marketing system and meet your downline in a private message area. Now, in your back office, you're going to have access to the free to join and earn affiliate programs, creating multiple streams of income found here. So let's take a look. So what you're going to do is you're going to join, like I said, they're all free to join and earn. And you're going to remove your sponsors' referral links and replace them with yours. And then what you're going to do is you're going to give me this blog article link, your blog article link. I'm going to place it in your video, removing your sponsor's blog referral link and replace it with yours. You're going to also have access to training videos on how to explode your downline by offering free marketing systems to other businesses. It does not stop with the Tangled marketing system. You can go out there and offer this marketing system to all those big affiliate programs out there. Of course, if you're already a Tangled member, not a problem. Or if you're a System IO member, not a problem. You don't have to join again. All you're going to do is give me your referral links, give me your funnel links, and then I'm going to build that marketing system for you using your existing Tangled and or System IO referral links. And of course, many of you have seen the big ones out there, Live Good and We Share Abundance, and ClickFunnels is big out there. GDI is big out there. Great Life Worldwide is big out there. Any MLM, any ClickBank, any Warrior Plus, any JBZoo, any affiliate marketing program, we will build a marketing system for them. And of course, you're going to be placing them in your downline. So the question is one of your other businesses listed above in here? No? Well, we're going to be happy to include your business offer in the list above. Now, all the business offers listed above have thousands of members. Each one of the members and those businesses needs what you have, a free marketing system. In this case here, since we're focusing on Tangled, all the Tangled members need what you have, a free Tangled marketing system. Imagine if you only can get 1% of those, let's say 1 million. I'm not sure how many members are in Tangled. Chances are there might be 1 million. We'll use 1 million as an example. 1 million Tangled members to request a free marketing system for their business through you. That would be 1%, 0.01 times 1 million, be 10,000 members placed in your free marketing system downline, where you could then share your business offers with those 10,000 downline members, plus receive passive commissions from all the free to join and earn affiliate programs in your blog article found here. And of course, I've shown you this already, all of these. Now remember that they have to, those people, those members, to join underneath you, whether they belong to Tangled and or social or System IO already, they still have to join underneath you in all of these free to join affiliate programs here. And if they do not, well, your blog article is going to stay in their marketing video that I'm going to do for them. See how that works? So, as I said, there's probably close to 1 million Tangled members out there. And all you need to do is do your marketing on Tangled. This is pretty easy, gang. because you want to get those Tangled members in your downline in System IO and all those free to join and earn affiliate programs I just showed you. So here's an example of a video that we placed for one of our members for his Healthy Harvest marketing. Well, you can do the same thing with this video I'm making for you. You can take your video and do marketing on Tangled. I mean, what better place to do marketing? Get those Tangled members to join underneath you. Here's a sampled marketing that I did for Marty. And I used the banner that comes right out and slaps you in the face, doesn't it? And it says, go here to request your free Tangled marketing system. And I placed Marty's lead capture page in there. Voila, there you go. There's some other marketing I did on Tangled right here. And if we click on it, what happens? Right there, it's the lead capture page. And of course, you're going to have a lead capture page just like this one, but it's going to have your name here and your Tangled referral link here and your System IO funnel page right here. Now, for those who belong to System IO, you know that you get paid 60% from those. It's, of course, System IO is free to upgrade, so don't worry about that. But when somebody is free to join, but when somebody does upgrade, you get paid 60% on the first level and 10% on the second level. So this lead capture page in itself is very powerful. If you're not a member of Tangled, click on the Learn More below and join Tangled. Of course, if you already belong to Tangled, not a problem. It's still going to do marketing for you. And then come down here. Once you've joined Tangled and or are already a Tangled member, click on the banner below to request your free Tangled marketing system through System IO. There again, if you belong to System IO, not a problem. It's still going to put your funnel link here. In addition to the profits from Tangled and System IO, of course, you're going to earn profits from all of these free to join and earn affiliate marketing programs, which happen to be ours. These are not anybody else's. Marty and I have built these. We manage these. We keep them nice and clean and up to date. And of course, you're going to be able to, when somebody joins and upgrades through you, of course, you're going to be able to earn passive commissions. So 3 ways to earn with our marketing system. And it hasn't cost you one dime, not one penny, not $1. So go here and request your own free Tangled marketing system. Then I'll meet you in the live training room, ready to do free advertising for your free Tangled marketing system. No one offers a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity like we offer. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you in the live training room, ready to do free advertising for your free Tangled marketing system. Let's go make some money.